Tableau CRM provides pharmaceutical companies with intelligent, actionable analytics to improve time to therapy and boost patient adherence. Here's how. As a patient support specialist, you can get visibility to key patient and prescription metrics that impact time to therapy, which is the time between when a healthcare provider prescribes treatment and when that patient begins therapy. You can apply filters to identify a target group of patients and use the action framework to take bulk action, like adding all of this group to a patient engagement program. You can also take action on an individual patient. As a native component to Salesforce, this action menu, unique to Tableau CRM, allows me to perform any action enabled by Salesforce with just one click, right at the point of insight. You can jump directly into this patient's record. Here, embedded dashboards show key KPIs. And Einstein Discovery provides an intelligent prediction to minimize the time to therapy. This prediction powers a next best action recommendation, like offering financial assistance. If the action is taken, the prediction updates in real time. As a nurse ambassador, you get access to key metrics to understand patient adherence to therapy and take action to improve it. You can filter to target a group of patients with low engagement, and then take bulk action to add them to an adherence campaign. You can also take action on an individual patient, like enrolling them in a program, scheduling an appointment, or opening the record to dig deeper. In this patient's record, Einstein Discovery provides an AI-powered predicted adherence score, with leading causes and actionable suggestions to improve this score, like downloading the mobile app. In this case, if the patient downloaded the mobile app after being added to the adherence campaign, the prediction is updated automatically. Overall, Tableau CRM offers native to Salesforce analytics that provide intelligent insights throughout the CRM to enable pharmaceutical companies to improve time to therapy and boost patient adherence. To learn more, visit our website at salesforce.com/Tableau-CRM.